Arg, there she blows, a humpback like a snow hill. This weekend, we're going California whale watching at Dana Point. SoCal Review Plus, episode 30, we're covering whale watching. We'll also be covering other fun locations in the area in episodes 31 through 34. Okay, just got off the freeway in Orange County. We're heading into Dana Point because we're doing whale watching today. Dana Point is well known for whale watching, especially in the month of March. As soon as we get off the freeway, we're heading straight to the harbor. We have a 12 o'clock whale watching appointment and we don't want to be late. We're going to check into our hotel later at the Doheny Beach Doubletree, and we'll give you a walk through that in a different video. We booked our tickets a few days before through Captain Dave's Dolphin and Whale Watching Sea Safari Tours. It cost us $60 a person, and this is for a 2.5-hour ride on a catamaran. We opted for one with the underwater pods, so you could look through a little window and see the dolphins. When you see the little blue sign, you know you arrived at Captain Dave's Dolphin Whale Watching Sea Safari, heretofore now to be referred to only as Captain Dave's. On the back sign, they keep a nice little chart of the different dolphins and whales they've seen the last few days. Note there are several ships going out under the name Captain Dave, so don't expect to see 300 dolphins on your tour. Head up these stairs to check in. They do recommend checking in 30 minutes early, but that gives you time to purchase some snacks or a drink. Also, you might want to pick up some Dramamine if you think you might be prone to seasickness. It is recommended you take those at least 30 minutes to an hour prior to boarding. Zen, I got you some Dramamine for motion sickness. Catch. We're on our whale watching trip at Dana Point, and boy, does this boat get bumpy. Be sure to wear shoes that are either water friendly or bring a second pair when you get back to the car. But we're having a great time, and I'll let you see what we see as soon as we see it. Like and subscribe. Our first brush with nature was a few sea lions sunbathing on a buoy. That was kind of cool to watch.
It's still there at our 1 o'clock. Oh, 50 feet off of us, 1 o'clock. Coming up at our 1 o'clock.
Okay, guys, and sometimes that's it. I'm gonna be 100% honest. We didn't see a whole lot of whale. We didn't see any dolphins. The whale we did see is it popped up, blew some air out once or twice, and seen the whale tail fin pop up once or twice, and that was it. And if you're on the wrong side of the boat and you missed it, or if you're seasick, you miss it. Inside joke. Well, we didn't see much activity. We still had a great time. It was a 2.5-hour cruise around the Dana Point area in beautiful Southern California. It on itself was a wonderful trip, and we did get to see a little bit of activity, which I will show you in some stills that the onboard photographer took for us. Okay, after a lot of time, we started to head back into shore. However, we did have another encounter on the way back, and if you keep watching till the end, you'll definitely see that. On the way back, we definitely run into the sea lions again. They're still chilling out. But we run into this moa moa, which ancient fishermen once considered a sign of bad luck. However, our marine biologist said this about them.
They almost look like a trash can lid on the surface. So this moa moa is a raised warm enough. They dive to extreme depths to feed on jellyfish and other gelatinous prey, which they use a vacuum suction-like method to suck into their mouths. They don't have teeth, they have flat molar-like teeth in their throats. And they go so deep.
I didn't catch it on video, but she also mentioned they dive so deep and it gets so cold that they become unconscious and have to float back up to the surface to warm up. It kind of reminded me of one of my old college roommates.
We're just getting into position here. This whale should be somewhere out in front of us, out in front of the white boat directly ahead of us. We apologize for that. We certainly were looking for them though. We post our sightings on our website every single day, so you can check and see what we're seeing. And come back out with us. We'd love to show you some more species of marine mammals. We see up to 15 different types of marine mammals, cetaceans, off our coastline. So anytime you come out with us, any time of the year, you have a good chance of seeing some whales and dolphins. Well, if you folks had a nice time, we'd love it if you'd let your friends and family know. We are operating word of mouth. Brings us a lot of...
So here we are going in the underwater water pods. The reason why we booked this trip. Once I get down the stairs, I realize they're probably not that fascinating. And the marine biologist lets me know your view is limited to about 30 feet. So you can see dolphins when they chase the boat, which is quite often according to her. However, the whales will be further away and you won't get a good view out of them through those portholes. All right, we're pulling back into the docks. We did not see a whole lot of whales, but we had a good time. Now we're gonna get something to eat. This is the part where I try to get you to subscribe to the channel. We're going to do a review on Turks and Proud Mary, both listed in Dana Point. We did Win and See restaurant last week, and we also have one, Tokiyaki. It's an Asian, actually it's a sushi restaurant. It was very good. And be sure to check out our Doubletree hotel room review at what beach? Doheny Beach. Really loved cruising through the harbor. Fell in love with these ships the last year. Been following a gentleman named Sea Doodle on YouTube. He shares his adventures on East Coast travels, Caribbean, and also the Mediterranean. Really good videos. Check them out. I'll put a link to his channel in the comments. I'll also list the different restaurants we review while at Dana Point. It really creates a good weekend adventure for you. And let us do all the work and let you know what's good and what's not good, so you don't waste your time or your money. So you'll check into this building to get on the boat. Look at the view of all the homes. Breathtaking. Right here, actually, they have very clean bathrooms, believe it or not. Overall, I give this 3 stars out of 5 stars. Not bad for a public bathroom. Okay, we're gonna do a quick bathroom review. maybe we're not going to do a bathroom review. We actually did this video as soon as we got to Dana Point, as we need to use the restroom. I'm using my DJI OM4 smartphone stabilizer. It's new technology for me, so I'm having some trouble. But the idea was I wanted to show you a quick review of the bathroom, which ends up being immaculate. Probably the best public bathroom I've ever seen. Keep watching to see more, but I am very much struggling with this new technology.
I'm gonna go potty.
So bear with me and laugh at my errors. So this is the restroom area outside of Baby Beach. This is the men's. To be honest, it's probably the cleanest restroom I've ever seen in Southern California. Whoever's cleaning this, kudos to you, but best beach in Southern California for restrooms. All right, this is the Baby Beach area. This is just a small little portion. And you see it's roped off. There is no waves. The yacht club is over there. But this is just a really nice place to take your children. And you don't have to worry about waves. You don't have to worry about too much. It's a very child-friendly location.